Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make a really quick video today just to let you know what's in store for 2026. This coming year, I'm doing things differently on this channel, and honestly, it's long overdue. For a long time in this industry, the pattern has been throw out a formula, list the ingredients, do a quick demo, and call it education. And sure, that technically checks the box, but it doesn't actually teach anyone why something works, what can go wrong, or how to make better decisions as a formulator. I'm not interested in contributing to that anymore. My audience is above beginner level, and they want more. Going forward, my videos are going to have a clear purpose. We're moving to a problem-first format, meaning we start off with real-world issues that the product is meant to solve. We walk through the chemistry, decisions, and reasoning behind it. Before we ever touch the formula, each video will begin with a 2 to 4 minute teaching segment that connects directly to the product we're making that day. Not a deep dive lecture, but enough to, give you some instructions so you understand what's happening, why specific ingredients are there, and how the system works. Then we move into the formula and the making process as the logical solution to that problem, not just a recipe for the sake of posting one. You'll see the build, the method, and the reasoning as we work through it. And at the end, we'll wrap up clear learning takeaways so you walk away with skills, not just a list of percentages. Collecting recipes is for those who really don't want to learn. There are areas in this industry that have already been covered to death. The same beginner topics, the same surface level tutorials, the same recycled ideas. Everyone's time is valuable, including mine. I'm not going to spend my time repeating what's already been done 1,000 times just to stay on the content treadmill. This channel is shifting towards teaching, clarity, and real formulation understanding, not noise, not filler, and not content for the sake of content. If you're here because you want to learn the why behind the work, you're in the right place. That's where we're heading this year, and I'm glad you're here for it.